Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today, we are going deep into one of the most powerful mindsets you can ever develop. The eagle mentality. When you observe an eagle, you're not just looking at a bird, you're looking at a symbol of greatness, courage, leadership, and self-mastery. There is a reason why eagles are used as national symbols, why they represent victory, strength, and power. It's not because of their wings. It's because of the way they think and the way they live. If you start applying the eagle mentality in your daily life, your confidence will rise, your focus will sharpen, and your entire identity will transform. So today, let's explore what it truly means to live like an eagle, and why this mindset can change your destiny. Eagles teach us the first and most important lesson: rise above the noise. Most birds fly low. They spend their time searching for scraps, fighting for small things, getting lost in chaos. But an eagle flies high above the world. It doesn't waste its energy fighting unnecessary battles. This is exactly what you need in life. Stop wasting your energy on people who don't matter. Stop fighting over things that won't matter in 5 years. Stop lowering yourself to the level of those who only criticize, complain, or gossip. When you fly higher mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, you automatically distance yourself from the noise below. You begin to focus on what truly matters: your growth, your goals, your peace, and your purpose. The second lesson of the eagle mentality is unshakable focus. When an eagle spots its target, it doesn't blink. It doesn't lose concentration. It doesn't doubt. It doesn't get influenced by other birds. It locks its eyes on the goal and moves with total confidence. Most people fail not because they lack intelligence or skill, but because they lack deep focus. They get distracted by opinions. They get discouraged by problems. They allow fear, insecurity, and comparison to steal their energy. But an eagle's focus is sharp like a laser, and that is why it always hits its mark. If you want success, practice locking your mind onto your dreams the same way an eagle locks onto its prey. Your focus will determine your future more than your talent ever will. The third lesson is one of the most powerful. Eagles do not run from storms. They use the storm to rise. When dark clouds form and winds become violent, most birds panic and hide. But the eagle spreads its wings and flies into the storm. The wind that scares other birds becomes the force that lifts the eagle higher than ever before. This is the mindset of champions. Champions don't avoid challenges. Champions don't hide from difficulties. Champions don't collapse when life gets tough. Instead, they rise. They use the pressure, the pain, the struggle to propel themselves to higher levels. Your storms, your heartbreak, your failures, your losses, your disappointments are not punishments. They are platforms. Each storm is a chance to grow stronger, wiser, and more unstoppable. So the next time life pushes you, remember the eagle. Rise with the storm, not against it. The fourth lesson from the eagle mentality is about reinvention. Eagles live long lives, but around the middle of their life, something dramatic happens. Their feathers become heavy, their talons grow weak, and their beak bends. The eagle cannot hunt the way it used to. It faces a choice: slowly die, or go through a painful process of transformation. Do you know what the eagle does? It flies to a high mountain, breaks its old beak, removes its old feathers, and waits for new, stronger ones to grow. The process is painful. It is slow, but it gives the eagle a second life. This is the same for you. If you want to break through, you must let go of old habits, old fears, old beliefs, and old versions of yourself. Growth requires shedding. Success requires sacrifice. Reinvention requires courage. If something in your life weighs you down, it's time to remove it, no matter how uncomfortable the process may be. The fifth lesson from the eagle is about vision and perspective. An eagle can see its target from miles away. It notices opportunities before others even realize they exist. It sees danger before others feel the threat. This vision gives the eagle an incredible advantage in life. You need this kind of vision, the ability to see beyond your current circumstances. Right now, you may feel stuck, confused, or lost. But you must train your mind to look higher, to look beyond, to look forward. Your current situation is not your final destination. You must learn to zoom out, to see the bigger picture, to understand that today's struggle is tomorrow's strength. Perspective is power. And the eagle mentality gives you that power. So what does it really mean to live with the eagle mentality? It means you go higher when others choose to stay low. It means you rise when others break. It means you focus when others get distracted. It means you transform when others give up. It means you lead when others follow. The eagle does not fear the sky. The eagle does not fear the storm. The eagle does not fear the unknown. And neither should you. Inside you, there is a version of yourself that is strong, bold, confident, disciplined, and unstoppable. An eagle waiting to be awakened. This is your time to rise. This is your moment to unlock your true potential. Spread your wings, break your limits, and fly far above the noise of the world. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.